Ever worry you might find yourself drowning in unexpected home repair bills? What if you could have known about those issues before they turned into financial nightmares? At Able Home Inspections, we specialize in uncovering what your house is hiding behind its walls and beneath its floors before it costs you a fortune. Our comprehensive home inspections provide you with a deep dive into your home's health, whether you're buying, selling, or just maintaining your current residence. At Able Home Inspections, we're committed to integrity, reliability, and education. Serving homeowners who once felt the anxiety of potential home disasters, we now offer peace of mind with every inspection report. Discover how a simple inspection could change your view on home safety and investment. Think about it. What's your family's safety and comfort worth? You can trust Able Home Inspections to provide detailed insights into your home's condition. Our certified experts use the latest technology to spot potential problems early, from foundational flaws to hidden water damage, ensuring you can take action before minor issues become major headaches. Ready to take the first step towards securing your home and family? Call us today to schedule your inspection. Able Home Inspections. Your peace of mind, our priority.